Kill him. Kill him. Alright guys, we just got set up. It has been a very hectic morning. We were kind of late, but we're here and we're set. And we should have had a shot at some teal already. It's still pretty dark, kind of hard to see. There were tons of birds in here when we got here. And we can still hear them messing around in these trees. It's too far. God, thing's hauling butt. Four mallards. I should have shot at those three that came right over me. Fuck.
Too far.
Oh.
Too fast.
There's a lot of ducks in here right now, dude. Hey, on your right here. Fuck, he's going. Yeah! Fish up! Hey, 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 come here, come here. Mark, fish up! Okay, skunk's off. I hit him in the butt and then he was sailing and he shot him. Okay, skunk's off.
What is it?
I have no idea. It was a fast flyer of some sort. Probably a teal or something. Boy, bring it. Good, bring that bird. What is it? Green wing. Good, give. Good boy, come place. Come place. Yeah, you did. Good shot.
I couldn't get him through the trees there, back to your right.
I shot him in the butt and he just...
I came over here.
Yeah.
I was like right through the trees here.
Yeah. Dude, see, look, those three are all circling back there. Hey, 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 out front, out front, out front. Coming right in. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. I'm gonna shoot him. You might want to get him. All right, 2 green wing down. Fish up. Good, bring it. Bring it. Good boy, leave it. Hey, leave it. Good boy, good place. Good boy, good place. Too far. Had to try. Uh-oh, dude, I'm running through shells. I need to be careful here.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't think about that.
Oh, buddy. Yeah. Luke, Mark, fish up. Got him on the 3rd. I think I smoked him on the 3rd. Hey, back. Fish that bird, bring it. Good boy. Green head down, boys. Good boy. Oh my God, that is such a pretty bird. Here, give. Leave it. Leave it. Hey, give. Good boy, good place. Good boy, good place. Beautiful mallard. I shot him, and then he started backpedaling as soon as he went down. I shot him again on that third shot. He would have been heads up. I just heard you shoot, and I was like, okay, pull. Hey, if we can keep doing that, that's fine.
Here's my prediction.
Hey, here come two. Sit. Stay. Coming right over. Kill him. Oh my gosh. You did get one? Yes. Oh, he got two. Good boy, bring it. Bring it. Give. Good boy. Good place. Place. Oh my God. Dude, that was insane.
Did you get one?
I got one. You got one?
Yeah.
Same.
Got 5?
Yeah. 3 drakes, 2 teal.
Nice. Never happened.
What a hunt.
Here we go. Right out to the right. Here they come.
Oh my God. Shoot him. Oh, you got him. You need to go chase him down.
Go get him, go get him, go get him. I got the...
Come. Come. Oh my gosh, dude. 2 more. Fetch it up. Back. Fetch that bird. Good boy. Fetch it up. He sees it. Is that a greenhead?
No, it's a gabwall.
Oh, they're gabwalls. Cool. We're on a heater right now. Let's get back to the tree. We got 7 birds. You pretty much got both of those.
I think so.
I may have got a piece, but it didn't. He wasn't going down without your shot.
Yeah.
Luke, you've been good boy today. Yeah. Have you been good? Sorta, kinda. You've gotten all these birds. That's pretty good.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Good, how are y'all? License handy on you?
Yeah, it's gonna be on my phone. Yeah, we got 7, and
You got your license on your phone, you said?
I should, yeah.
yeah.
Because it's not pulling up.
Was that you in the mud motor that was rolling around back there?
Yeah, I'm parked way back there.
Okay, because we thought another hunter was rolling in on us. We were like, hey, what the hell?
Okay.
License and permits? Federal WMP all day long.
Well,
All right.
thanks.
Do you have gun plugs in?
Yes, sir.
Let's see, one at a time.
I got 1 chambered, and I
Yeah,
got
just take them
all out.
Yeah, I'll let you do it so I don't drop them. It's like $1 a shell.
Yeah, they are.
Alright, you got 2 in, nothing in the chamber.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my good, this is the
It
most.
takes me forever to walk up to y'all because every time I see y'all work ducks, I just sit there. And then someone would shoot, and I'd start walking again.
Well, we appreciate
You
that.
got 2 in, 1 in there.
Yeah, it's been a good hunt, even if we're done by now. We've had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, I'm gonna
Public
slip out.
All right. Thank you.
Guess I'm gonna get coffee now. I haven't had coffee yet.
Yeah.
I was like, look at the bird. I saw a dude staying in there, and I was like, dude snuck up on us.
Good video.
I'm glad you
I
thought
mean,
of that.
I looked over and the second I saw a person, I go, "That's a game warden."
Yeah.
He'd been sitting there for
doing this.
Hour.
Stay. I see him. He's dead. He's dead, dude. Fish up. Come. Let Luke get him. He's dead. Good shot. Luke. Bah. Good shot, dude.
Luke.
Ah, I didn't get it on camera. We just had a group of 10, 15 teal light right in front of us. Dad shot one. Well, we just got checked by a game warden, and then we shot another bird.
It's just crazy that would even happen.
That was crazy. Oh my gosh.
I was sitting there working.
I'm just glad we got one down.
Teal.
Awesome. Good shot. 1 shot, 1 kill. Dude, there's a lot of teal in here.
No shit, that's a huge group, man.
Yeah. Oh. Kill him.
Oh,
Bring it.
he wants to try to get both.
It's okay. Bring it. Come on. Good boy. Good. Bring me that bird. Good. Bring me that bird.
10.
10. Oh, the ringnecks. Oh, wait, are these widgeons? Wait, I don't know what these are. Hang on. Hey, Mark. Fish up.
We're almost limited out.
Almost. Almost.
Their beaks are so cool.
I know.
Gray.
Isn't that so pretty?
I like their beaks. That
What a pretty bird. A lot of birds working right now. May have been.
You see him?
Dude, there's more cupped. More coming. More coming. Shoot him. He's dying.
Oh, he got.
That was... Huh?
How did you shoot that?
Dude, I don't know. He was coming right over me. I had to shoot at it. And then I thought I
I
missed.
just had bushes I couldn't get on him.
He's dead.
Yeah,
Fetch it up.
you can walk all the way out there.
Dude, I thought I missed.
That was amazing.
I must have hit him that second time. Good boy. Yes. That was so weird. He just like cupped up and died. That was so weird. I see him. I see him. Good boy. Bring it. Come. I see him. Oh. Hey, come try it. We shoot him? Nope, 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 nope. A little too far. Stay. Stay. Kill him. Yeah, buddy. Fetch it up. Come on. Come on.
Same time, dude.
Same time. Same time. Finish out on green heads. Let's go. Let me go find that bird. Come. Luke. Hey. Fetch it up. Bring it. He is tired. Oh, he is so tired right now.
He had a couple long ones out in that lake.
Yeah. Dude.
I am gonna have my
Dude.
celebratory coffee and Pop-Tart
Yeah.
because we done.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Me and Dad shot a 2-man limit on public land. I think that's the first time we've ever done that. That's pretty cool. We got 2 gadwalls. I think we ended up with 5 greenheads, 3 green-winged teal, and that pair of widgeon. So, super cool mixed bag today. I literally ended with 1 shell left. Not to mention we got checked by a dang game warden right in the middle of our hunt. That was crazy too. This is an absolute amazing hunt today. You cannot ask for anything better. I mean, that is just the coolest freaking thing ever. You just don't get limits every day. It just makes it that much more special when you do. All right, y'all. Well, this is what we ended up with today. We got green beans, green wings, widgeons, gadwall. Absolutely incredible. One of the best duck hunts I've ever been on in my life. That was super fun. So if y'all enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like for the 2-man, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.